Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Knowledge School YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the important topic of plant pathology is spores of fungi. So it is very important to say that fungi do not work without spores. So in this video we will study spores. So there are many spores is produced by the fungi. They will be sexual or asexual. So we will study further slides. So before starting, what is sporulation? Sporulations, so the process of production of spores is called sporulation. And what is spore? It is a minute simple propagating unit of the fungi functioning as a seed but differs from it in lacking a preformed embryo that serves in the reproduction of same species. So what is hypa? Or plural sense is hyphae. So hyphae is a thin, transparent, tubular filament filled with protoplasm. It is the unit of a filamentous thallus and grows by apical elongation. So it is the part of thallus, and thallus is the body of fungi. What is mycelium or mycelia? So a network of hyphae, like aggregation of hyphae constituting the filamentous thallus of a fungus. It may be, means mycelium may be colorless, that is hyphae hyaline or colored due to presence of pigments in cell wall. The mycelium may be ectophytic or endophytic. What is ectophytic fungi? If the fungal thallus is present on the surface of the host plant, it is called ectophytic fungus. For example, Udium in Udian genus. Endophytic fungus, if the fungus penetrates into the host cell inside the host, it is called endophytic fungi, that is Puccinia gramineans. So what is the next spore is arthrospores or Udia. So you are looking in this diagram, it is the Udia and Udia is bursting. So it is making Udia, and these are the chlamydospores. So what is Udia? So the spores produced by a fragmentation are called arthrospores or Udia. So Oidia and arthrospores are synonymous. It is found in Udium and Geotrichum. Sometimes the contents of intercalary cells or terminal cells of hyphae rounded off and surrounded by a thick wall and formed as chlamydospores, which are thick-walled resistant spores produced either singly or in chains. So chlamydospores is formed in Fusarium oxyspores and Astylagotritici. So you can watch in this diagram Udia and chlamydospores. Okay, so in the chlamydospore, when mycelium thick and intercalary met, these are the chlamydospores. What is blastospores? So the spores formed through budding during asexual reproduction in fungi are called blastospores. So these are the blastospores. What is sporangiospores? So in this process there are 3 to 4 terms will come. So when the asexual spores are produced internally within the sporangia, such spores are called sporangiospores, and the sac-like structure which produces sporangiospores is called sporangium, and the special hypa bearing sporangium is called sporangiophore, which may or may not be distinguishable from hyphae. For example, Ctenophora trispora. So in Hindi I am telling you, स्पोरेंजियोफोर के ऊपर होता है स्पोरेंजियम एंड स्पोरेंजियम के अंदर होता है स्पोरेंजियोस्पोर्स. व्हेन स्पोरेंजियम ब्रस्ट, स्पोरेंजियोस्पोर्स बाहर निकलते हैं. ओके, इट इज द प्रोसेस. So you can see in this diagram, these are the zoospores जूस्पोरेंजियम से जूस्पोर्स, एंड इट इज़ द स्पोरेंजियम, उसके अंदर है स्पोरेंजियोस्पोर, स्पोरेंजियोफोर के ऊपर है स्पोरेंजियम, एंड स्पोरेंजियम के अंदर है स्पोरेंजियोस्पोर्स। और जब वे ब्रस्ट होते हैं तो स्पोरेंजियोस्पोर्स सेकेंडरी इनोकुलम का काम करते हैं। ओके, इन दिस इन द आउटर साइड इज कोनिडियो एंड कोनिडियोफोर। तो कोनिडियोफोर के ऊपर कोनिडिया है। ओके, तो कोनिडियोफोर इट इज द कोनिडिजियस सेल्स, और इसके ऊपर है कोनिडिया जो ब्रस्ट होके सेकेंडरी इनोकुलम का काम करते हैं, और दे आर द एसेक्सुअल स्पोर्स। ओके, ये एसेक्सुअल स्पोर्स है। So sporangiospours are two types. First is zoospores and planospores, and second is aplanospores. So zoospores or planospores. Sporangiospours, which are motile by flagella, are called zoospores, also known as planospores, and found in Pythium and Phytophthora. These are the group of Mastigomycotina order. So zoospores is motile. Aplanospores. So sporangiospores which are not motile without flagella are called aplanospores and found in Rhizopus, Stolonifer and Mucor. Second is Conidia or Conidiospores, which we studied in the before slide. So what is Conidia or Conidiospores? So Conidia are non-motile asexual spores which may arise directly from somatic hyphae or from specialized conidiogenous cells. So what is conidiogenous cells? A cell from which conidia are produced or own conidiophore hyphae which bear conidia. Okay. So different types of sexual spores. So these are the oospores, zygospores, ascospores and basidiospores. These are the four important sexual spores each produced by fungi in different divisions. So what is oospore? So a thick walled sexual resting spore produced by the union of two morphologically different gametangia made with gametangial contact process. It is found in Pythium, Phytophthora, members of class Oomycetes or Mastigomycetes order. So oospore spores formed in Mastigomycotina orders. Okay, it is the systematic classification. Second is zygospore. So what is zygospore? So a thick walled sexual resting spore produced by the fusion of two morphologically similar gametangia. In oospore, two morphologically different gametangia, and in the zygospores, two morphologically similar gametangia. It is made with gametangial copulation process. So when two morphologically similar gametangia made a spore, it is called the gametangial copulation. Found in Rhizopus, members of subdivision Zygomycotina. What is ascospore? So sexual spore produced in a specialized sac-like structure known as ascus. Generally, 8 ascospores are formed in a one ascus. One ascus equal to 8 ascospores. Found in Erysiphia, members of subdivision Ascomycotina. So ascospore is the spore of Ascomycotina fungi, and Erysiphia it is the powdery mildew species. So come in Ascomycotina. And next is basidiospores. So sexual spore produced on a club-shaped structure known as basidium. And generally 4 basidiospores are formed in one basidium. Found in Puccinia, members of subdivision Basidiomycotina. So these are the important sexual spores. So you can see here. So these in the lower side it is the ascospores, and this is the ascus, and found in ascospores. So 8 or more than 8. It is the basidium, found basidiospores as you see. It is the zygospore, and it is the oospore. ओके, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि जाइगोस्पोर में बराबर के 2 गेमेट आ रहे हैं, और एक जाइगोस्पोर का निर्माण कर रहे हैं, तो इसे हम बोलते हैं गैमेटेंजियल कॉपुलेशन। बट इन स्पोर जर्मिनेशन गैमेटेंजियल कॉन्टैक्ट में दो हमारे अलग अलग साइज के मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट रहते हैं। सो दिस आर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फंगल स्पोर्स ऑफ द फंजाई, एंड with using these spores fungi infest the field. So thank you for watching this video. Please like our video, share our video and subscribe our video and press the bell icon for next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Agriculture Knowledge School.